All right, everybody, it's about time to check in on the old 589. You can see the gang is still working aggressively, feverishly even, on putting it together. So let's check it out and see what's happened here in the last several hours. Michael, what's going on?
Hey, getting these air cleaners back on. Had to remove them. Got our air cleaner panels installed. These are got front and rear here with, of course, we'll have lights into them.
I dig it.
It's kind of a two-piece bracket up here, so we can get part of it mounted and throw lights in and just put that piece on it.
Yep.
This is a kind of interesting way this air cleaner is attached to the truck. It doesn't have bands wrapped around it to a bracket like a typical 389 would. These are purely decorative, so we're utilizing them to hold our brackets. But the air cleaner is actually bolted into the side of the cowl over here.
They are definitely a game changer with them being rounded but then flat on the backside. Yeah. Like you said, the straps are just cosmetic only.
Yep.
Makes it kind of a challenge to put the air cleaner light panels on there. Like, what do you bolt to?
Yeah, there's not framework out here like on your traditional trucks. It's, pretty much what you see body is plastic cowling and stuff, so it's not enough to support by itself.
So those are going to look great once you get all the button lights in it. Little change of plans here on the cab and cowl panels. Since our mock-up got sent out to the laser cutter and it's going to be cut here in a day or two, we went ahead and got a set from Iowa Customs. Also 3/4 inch button lights and pretty aggressive spacing. What is that, every 3 inches?
On there, yep.
Every 3 inches.
And they put some effort into it because this has got a body line that kind of curls out.
Yeah, that does give it some style. I like that.
Theirs matches that really well, and of course our cowl panel out here.
So that's all coming together. Yeah. Air cleaner lights on the back. Can't wait to see the finished look there.
Of course, we got sleeper panel lights put on here too. Same light, same spacing.
Yep.
I just showed you got the tank on here. And got the bras put on the end, but they just came out of the package, so you can see they're kind of
wrinkly.
Kind of wrinkly.
Send them out and get them dry cleaned.
Yeah, do that. Yeah. I come back about this big.
And then you got the stainless wrap on. You got our straps kind of holding it all on there for the time being.
Yep.
Get everything cinched down, and then waiting for the old brassieres to de-wrinkle.
Yeah.
And it'll be cool to see all those unwrapped as well.
Yeah, this will be a high polish, high stainless done. Because we're gonna have stainless here. Of course, we got stainless straps, stainless wrap on there.
You know, my two favorite colors is chrome and black.
Black and chrome.
There you go.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, it'll never go out of style. I don't care how they change the truck.
That's it.
It'll be in style.
And it's nice to see that the deck plate has came a long ways since our last feature. Got the airline box, dual electric, and where we cut last time, we've actually got like a nice dressed out edge now where you won't hack your palm or the back of your hand to pieces. Nice feature, man. This is really cool.
Yeah, and one thing we did want to do is, I mean, if we just left this blunt ended, you would have about a 6-inch dead space before you could start deck plate again.
Yeah.
So if you're up here working, you don't want to step into a hole. So we made enough room to get your hand in here, enough room for the latch to work. Still fills it all out, so it's got a function as well as an aesthetic side. And
just to finish it out, the same on both ends, you made a matching trim piece the boys did to go down here.
Yeah. Zach built those for us last night, and got them attached to there. We pretty much filled this deck up from the sleeper back to the fifth wheel.
Now we've got full Vendetta fenders and brackets. Can't beat the look there.
Yeah.
Look like they're floating with all the hidden heavy-duty powder-coated brackets. So those came out really sweet.
Glad there hasn't been any kind of change back here on suspension, so the Vendetta brackets work perfectly on this, and probably many more models.
So your Vendetta fenders and brackets, they're going to fit a 389, 379, 589.
Yeah,
just about.
Relief ones, clear from 2005 up to 24 at least, and probably for years to come.
All right, it's come a long ways in the last few hours, so we're going to check in one more time today and see what you can show us.
All right, we'll get back at it.
All right, quite a few projects wrapped up today. Air cleaner lights looking good. Those are the Chrome Shop Mafia versions. The cab cowls with all the 3/4 button lights. Iowa Customs. Still got sleeper skirts we'll put on here tomorrow. The stainless tank wraps. Quilted vinyl covers. Looking some kind of good. Deck plate we already covered. Fenders we already covered. And Iowa Customs hub covers all the way around. Hey, 589 has got a set of 7-inch straights on it. pretty sweet. We can just about stick a fork in this one. She's almost done.